Hi guys, bibigyan na natin dito ng update itong si Carb Protocol. Maraming mga developments na nangyari dito for the past couple of days or months. Marami ding mga na-list na airdrop na na-feature natin dito sa ating YouTube channel, just like Natcoin, Meso Network, that's free airdrop na shinare natin dito sa ating YouTube channel, and meron ng presyo or may price na ngayon sa market. So for now, discuss lang natin itong mga developments dito for Carb Protocol, and as of the moment, previous video natin, I think we just allocated lang dito sa stake guys, no? So we just stake. This is a free, pero meron lang gas fees dito if ever na mag-claim ka ng Sol everyday guys, no? So discuss natin yan, tapos yung pinaka node nila dito, we'll discuss as well other ideas dito sa video natin. But before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So for now guys, andito tayo sa dashboard. Meron tayo dito pinaka-balance. Ito is free lang natin guys na nakukuha, no? Dito meron ka lang pinaka-gas fees for some claiming transactions every day, like for example this one kay Linnea, tapos CK Sync Era, tapos OPBNB guys, no? Kay Ronin, if you want, you can just claim. Free lang ito dito kay Ronin. And other updates dito guys, we'll discuss dito sa recent updates nila na node sale. Again guys, itong video natin today is just an update lang and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. So dito kay node sale, we just check dito. Meron din tayo dito guys pinaka-code, no? If you are interested, Crypto Fortune yung pinaka-code. Ito yung pinaka-waitlist sale launch sa June 3. And then yung pinaka-public sale launch is June 5 guys, no? 10 AM UTC. You can just join sa waitlist nila. Meron lang pinaka requirements na I think a balance, no? So andito yung pinaka details. Largest modular data layer for gaming, AI, and infinity. Revolutionizing how data is used and shared by ensuring privacy, ownership, and control dito guys, no? If ever man na gumalaw yung sector ng play to earn, isa ito sa magbe-benefit in my own opinion. So ito yung pinaka node, verifier node sale nila upcoming guys, no? So yan yung recent developments dito kay Carb. If ever man na magkaroon ito ng pinaka final listings sa mga major exchanges, I'll keep you posted na lang dito sa ating YouTube channel, just like we discussed for the past couple of days kay Meson, kay Natcoin. Yung mga airdrops na yon, it's free natin na nakuha guys, no? So yun, this is only a quick update guys dito sa video natin. Sa mga nagtatanong, hope you get some ideas dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood guys. Yung previous video na ginawa natin dito, ilalay ko na lang sa pinaka-screen para mapuntahan nyo for ideas guys. Yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.